The dream of being able to repair every type of tire with a single type of patch has been realized by Moderni's GUT Tire Patch series. For a small hole like that produced by a nail, a flexible plyless patch that freely follows the movement of the tire is more effective than a patch with play for reinforcing. Moderni's GUT patch can be used for radial tires, bias tires, and other types on cars, trucks, and buses. It's good for cold system repair as well as for retreads that require heat treatment. Now let's see how the GUT patch is used in the retreading factory. First, the tire casing is inspected for damage. The tire is then cleaned carefully with dirt and foreign objects removed from the interior and exterior of the tire. Next, the tread is removed by buffing. At the same time, the damaged part of the tire is smoothed out for repair. Large damages or through holes are filled and covered and reinforced with Moderni tire patches GNR and GBT. However, small damages or through holes produced by a nail, etc., are almost all easily repaired with GUT patches only. Check the damage first and mark with chalk. The damage is smoothed and buffed out with a carbide cutter and shaped round to fit the size of a stem. Fill the hole with enough Super Vulcan G, Moderni's vulcanizing adhesive. Attach a pulling wire to a stem that fits the size of the hole. Apply Super Vulcan G to the part of the stem that stays in the tire. Put the pulling wire through the hole from the inside and pull the edge of it from the tread side to drive the stem into the hole. The drawing out work is completed when the adhesive surfaces of the stem appear both inside and outside of the tire roughly equal. The portion appearing on the inside surface of the tire is cut off with a cutter. Moderni's liquid buffer is sprayed over the damaged inside surface of the tire, and any debris is removed with the scraper. An area slightly larger than the size of the patch is marked with chalk and then buffed. Remove buffer dust carefully with a vacuum cleaner and apply Super Vulcan G to the buffed area. After the coat is dried thoroughly, select an appropriate sized GUT patch and remove the protective aluminum foil. The patch is stuck onto the tire, centered on the damage. Press strongly and evenly over the patch. Peel off the transparent film from the patch. Moderni's sealaner is applied to the buffed area and the patch. At this point, the patching is finished. Next, the stem appearing above the tread is cut off and the area is buffed. Repair is completed as shown. The surface left by the removal of the tread is coated with cement all over. The hollows are filled. pre-cure tread is stuck onto the tire. The tire is put in the vulcanizer for heat treatment. At the end of the curing time, determined by the tire size and other factors, the tire is taken out of the vulcanizer and subjected to careful final inspection. Let's see what happened with the GUT patch. The vulcanized patch is tightly cemented to the tire as shown, allowing for the manufacture of high-quality retreaded tires. The patch can be used in the remolding method as well. The patch, needless to say, shows excellent performance in the intrinsic cold repair system. The procedure is almost the same as the one illustrated earlier. A hollow or a small defect like a pinhole does not require filling by means of a stem. Moderni's liquid buffer is sprayed over the inside surface of the tire. And any debris is scraped off. An area slightly larger than the size of the patch being used is marked with chalk. The marked area is then buffed. Buffing dust is carefully removed with a vacuum cleaner and the buffed area is coated with Super Vulcan G. The coat is dried thoroughly, a GUT patch is selected, and the protective aluminum foil is removed. The patch is stuck on, centered over the damage. The transparent film is peeled off the patch, completing the repair. It's best if Moderni's sealant is coated on the buffed area and the patch. Moderni's GUT patch series can repair almost every type of tire and many types of small damage easily and economically. Patches are available in 4 sizes according to the damage and type of tire. 34mm diameter GUT A0, 43mm diameter GUT 00, 65mm diameter GUT 01, and 78mm diameter GUT 02.